Those are some gross rims. So I regrettably have not cleaned these in a very long time. So, got a few products in the bag. This is the Meguiar's Ultimate All Wheel Cleaner, Active Gel, dissolves brake dust. Let's hope the wheel is looking more like this one on the bottle. I guess we'll just jump right into it. This is a pretty simple video, so I'm not gonna over explain things. We're just gonna kind of get right into it. This is how to clean some dirty rims. Alright, so I just doused the entire inside. So this stuff will actually turn a different color when the brake dust reacts with it. So we're just gonna kind of soak and saturate the entire surface on both sides. Liberally apply this stuff. So on the directions of this bottle, it says to wait for about 2 to 4 minutes. So it also says do not pre-rinse. As you saw, I applied it while the wheel was still completely dry, and that's so it reacts better with the brake dust. And then we're gonna get this nice, I think it turns purple. I'm colorblind, so yeah, that looks about right. So we're just gonna wait a bit here. Okay, you can see it's turning purple there. I've also never cleaned these wheels when they're off the car. I did just change my winter setup, so those are on my car right now. So yeah, these are getting real nice. So our next step, we're just gonna wanna rinse it off completely with water. Really tough angle, sorry about this. I'm like up on these stairs right now, trying to do the best I can to get a good picture and also clean the wheel effectively. But I must say, this is looking 10 times better already just with the Meguiar's wheel cleaner. Okay, next step is just to use some car wash, whatever, I don't even know what this is, but a good amount in there. Ugh. Really bubble it up. Once you get some fresh bubblies in there, use an old microfiber hand mitten muff wash mitts. Microfiber wash mitt. Woo! That's not warm at all. It is also like 30 degrees out, isn't it? Start from the top. Woo! Get in all the crevices. Zoom in on this action, Carson. Oh yeah. It's nice. My hand is about to fall off. We'll flip her around for you. That step one with the Meguiar's really helps out because it gets rid of all the brake dust so you're not rubbing it into your wheel paint, scratching up anything. You can do this with either a microfiber wash mitt or a brush that's designated for your wheels as well. All right, once we have that about done, we can go ahead and rinse it off again. That's a nice looking rim right there. That doesn't serve any purpose. It's kind of cool. Now we're seeing some real progress. That is looking mighty clean. So this is going to be the final step in the process. I like to make sure the wheel is water propellant. So I have this wax and dry. You don't have to dry the surface before. You spray it on when it's wet. Let's see how it works. It smells good. It smells like pina colada. Don't do this with a brand new drying towel. This one's a little used. Get that nice and dry. All the crevices again. That's looking mighty clean. Everything on this side. Wax and dry. This can also be used on your car. I think it's good for the rim too. Hope it is, anyways. Just as shiny as the day I bought them. I'll put the before and after shots in here, but this thing is night and day difference. Yeah, I guess that's gonna conclude the tutorial and review of the Meguiar's Ultimate All Wheel Cleaner. Peace out, home dogs.